So a couple of weeks ago, I posted over on Twitter and Instagram about a course that I was putting together on the topic of how to create technology reviews. And guess what? It's now live. So I've teamed up with the team at Graphy to put together this in-depth course for their new and exciting platform. Now the course is not fully finished yet, but section 1 and 2 are live, ready for your viewing pleasure. And to give you an idea of everything that's going to be covered in this in-depth course, I've put together a little trailer. So sit back, relax, and enjoy. What's up everyone, my name is Sam Beckman and I am a YouTuber with a passion for technology and filmmaking. I've been producing content for my YouTube channel for the past 5 years, and in that time I've amassed a huge bank of knowledge as to what goes into creating high quality and cinematic technology reviews. So in this Graphy, we're going to dig deep into the process of creating high quality and cinematic reviews that will help you to stand out in this otherwise saturated field on YouTube. In section 1, we'll look at the whys and the hows of technology reviews, and we'll even spend some time talking about how you can get your hands on tech to review in the first place. Section 2 will cover pre-production, how to actually plan well for your videos. Then in section 3, we're going to dive deep headfirst into production. In this section, we're going to talk audio and camera equipment, cinematic lighting techniques, the process of filming in a range of environments, and regardless of whether you plan to shoot technology reviews or not, this section will up the quality of your videos in any field that you might be working in. From there, section 4 will be all about editing, and we'll discuss file management and a few techniques that'll help to make this process as efficient as possible. In section 5, we'll cover VFX work, and then in section 6, we'll discuss finalizing our projects. We'll even spend some time talking about the YouTube algorithm and how we can make our videos stand out on the platform. So it's super jam-packed. We're gonna have loads of fun. So without further ado, let's get started. So I'm hoping that that excites you as much as it does me. And just as an FYI, the price that the course currently is subject to change. It's kind of like an introductory or discounted price of sorts. If you purchase the course right now at this current price, then that's it. You've paid your fee, and anytime a new chapter is uploaded, you'll be able to view it at no extra cost to you. So I'd love it if you consider checking out my course using the links down in the description below. If you've been wanting to support this channel and me as a creator, then this is probably one of the best ways that you can do that. Aside from that, thank you all very much for watching. Thank you for your ongoing support, and I will catch you later.